Hi, welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. I'm the author of The Online Shift, 101 Pro Tips for Virtual Facilitators, Speakers, Online Leaders. And we're coming up to 1 year, sort of this book's birthday party, 1 year since it was shared into the world. And I thought that leading up to the 1 year anniversary of the book, I would share parts from the book each week from each of the chapters and just, share some of it with you. I'm also going to share a special offer for the course that is a great companion to the book as well. So I'll share those links below. So thanks for checking this out. So let's start at the beginning. I love the feel of this book. I do think that printed books are a great thing. And I wanted it to be a quick, easy, I think there's how many pages? 71 ish, including the about the author. But let's start at chapter 1. And there's some great quotes in this book and over 101 pro tips because there's over 9 hot bonus tips as well. And what I will do too is if you're interested, I will share that as a bonus. If you're interested in that download, I'll share a link below that you can just get that as a gift to celebrate 1 year. I really like this part. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to do something that we've never done before. And especially in this fast pace, there's always something new and shiny. Sometimes we can have learning fatigue when we're always learning something new. But it's great to have the perspective when it's a new engagement tool or something that we can use to enhance the learning experience and really help people learn the content and remember it. Trying something new for the first time can be a little scary, and it might not work perfectly, especially the first time or the second time, as you see how it works with your group and what their needs are as well. So the first chapter is promo, how to promote your event or workshop learning experience, but this isn't about marketing. It's that what information needs to be shared ahead of time. And you're building that promotion already to share with people that they're going to be invited into a safe, authentic space, that they know what to expect as well. That you're there, if it was an all-day workshop in person, that you're going to have breaks and snacks available. If it's online, what to expect. If it's a hybrid blended audience, what to expect for each of the groups and how they're going to work together. All of these pieces can build the engagement ahead of time. If you have a pre-quiz where you're gathering information to impact how you're going to share the learning content with your group. And, things like time zone, details into your promotion as well, if it's going to be worldwide. And sharing in a welcome or introductory video is a great way too. And then definitely add the closed captions. It's already you're demonstrating through these different things what people can expect and what that you care about them and what you're going to try to do for facilitating this engaging learning experience that's coming up. So those are a few tips from the book, The Online Shift. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier, and I hope that you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences to turn an audience into participants. Thanks for checking this out.